G77. Oh! It was all stop.
Yeah, I came first.
No, you came first?
Yeah,
Nope.
I came first.
I came first. I stopped. You never stopped. You were rolling. I have it on my camera anyways.
Okay, no problem.
How can you be a driver? How can you teach people driving?
Okay.
Seriously.
You don't
Whoa, whoa, whoa! He doesn't even know he did that.
Whoa! 315 passengers reached out the car door and pointed a gun at us. Pursuit. There's no westbound GVR. No traffic. They're gonna crash. Oh.
Stop 97 and a 70. What's the reason for that? (10-4) EMS is on scene.
Oh! I don't know if it's selfish or stupid that leads you to throw a bunch of boxes in the bed of a pickup truck and then, I don't know, chuck a fucking case of water on top of it to secure the load and slap it and say, oh, that'll probably hold.
ਜਾ ਹੀ ਹਾਂ ਆਇਆ ਲੱਭਦੀ ਭੈਣ ਚੋਂ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗ ਜਾ ਗੱਡੀ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਦੋ ਬਾਹਮਣ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਦੋ ਜੱਟ ਚਲਾ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਜਾ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਆ ਜਾ ਛੇਤੀ ਆ ਜਾ ਦੱਬਦੇ ਭੈਣ ਚੋ ਓਏ 120 ਮੈਂ 130 ਰਾਈਟ ਲੇਨ ਚ ਆ ਜੀ ਓਏ 133 140 ਆਏ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਮਾਰ ਲਾ ਗਾ ਉਹ ਸਾਲੇ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਖੜੀ ਗਾ ਓਏ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੋ ਜਾ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਸਾਲੇ ਪੁਲਿਸ I'm sorry, sir.
Why are you driving 140?
I'm sorry.
This is an excessive, so your car's going to be impounded.
This is not my car.
So the car's going to be impounded for 7 days. So you can explain that to your boss. It's out of my control. I don't set those rules, ICBC does.
I'm probably gonna get fired. Please, sir.
You shouldn't be driving 140, let alone in a vehicle that doesn't belong to you, during work hours. There's no excuse.